Apple iPad Air 2022. Buy 4. Capacitive touchscreen, 12MP back camera with document scanning compatibility, 12MP front camera with Retina flash, Apple M1 chipset, 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, Li polymer battery, fingerprint sensor on the top. Beware of: no quick charging, no flash, non-expandable internal storage. Verdict: Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256GB is equipped with a set of powerful specifications that delivers accurate speed and the right kind of precision in every task. This particular tablet comes compatible with Apple Pencil, enabling quick editing and seamless outcomes. You can also connect Magic Keyboard for responsive typing. Boost efficiency and add fun to your life. Display and camera. Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256GB gets an immersive liquid Retina IPS LCD of 10.9 inches. This beautiful display features some advanced technologies such as P3 wide color, anti-reflecting and true tone. Moreover, it is a multi-touch functionality equipped front screen that has a resolution of 1640 by 2360 pixels and a pixel density of 264p. For imaging purposes, Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256GB comes with a 12MP camera on its back end. Apart from taking pictures and recording videos, users can even scan their documents with it. For the front side, users get a 12MP camera at the center of the screen. Configuration and battery. Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256GB is powered by an Apple M1 chipset, 8GB RAM and an 8-core Apple GPU facilitating quick multitasking and graphic-intensive games. It also has an 8-core CPU that promises to offer up to 60% faster performance as compared to Apple Ascent AA's previous generation CPUs. Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256GB is energized by a Li polymer type battery that is non-replaceable. Storage and connectivity. Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256% AA's internal storage cannot be expanded further. Connectivity-wise, the tab supports GPS, Wi-Fi, mini HDMI, USB Type-C, and Bluetooth v5.0. Apple iPad Air 2022 Wi-Fi 256GB price starts from Rs 68,900. This is 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage variant of Apple iPad Air 2022, which is available in blue, pink, purple, space gray, starlight color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.